Aloha! This is Doña, your ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorial. You realize it? These days, my tiny shorts, TikTok, Instagram and everywhere where you can find me, there are gonna be some changes coming up. Well, what? Check out this. This is Patrick. My teacher, also a good friend of mine, a very famous ukulele player in Germany and Hawaii. He is the ambassador of the ukulele also in Hawaii. He was on a TV show and he plays excellent fingerstyle ukulele. You must know him from Instagram, YouTube and anywhere on those social media platforms. And we want to do a more authentic, a more familiar ukulele tutorial style for us, for you. The typical and classical student and teacher situation. So I ask questions, I show up my knowledge, and he explain how to do it correctly. So it's specially made for the baritone ukulele or for the tenor ukulele players in low G or the tenor ukulele players who put baritone strings on the tenor ukulele and have the tenor sounding. And what I figured out in the last weeks or months, that you're also falling in love like me in the Spanish ukulele style. So our focus will be in this direction, more the Spanish ole, flamenco and lovely Spanish melody. But first we do some repetition to refresh our mind and muscle memory. And we will be surprised how our format will turn out. I love you and see you soon with Patrick. Mwah.